Welcome back. This is round one action in TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz. The scores are Emmanuel Christian Academy on 4 and Crescent Primary on 9. It's now time for the Junior Challenge Face-Off, which covers math, science, English language, and social studies. Face-Off 1 is in the category of mathematics. It's between David Allen of Emmanuel Christian Academy and Nathan Green of Crescent Primary. David, we begin with you. What is $9,500 increased by 10%?
$1,450.
That is correct. David, what is 1.69 divided by 0.13?
13.
That's correct. If $700 is shared in the ratio 3 to 4 to 7, what's the second largest amount? Question passes. Nathan, want to try?
Yes, miss. $200.
That is correct. David, what's the perimeter of a triangle if the sides measure 13.5 centimeters, 15.5 centimeters, and 11 centimeters, respectively?
40 centimeters.
That is correct. How many edges does a cube have?
8.
That's incorrect. Nathan, want to try?
No, miss.
It's 12. Nathan, we're now over to you. What is $6,500 increased by 20%?
$7,300.
That's incorrect. David, want to try?
Yes, please. $7,800.
That is correct. Nathan, what is 0.4 divided by 0.03? I'm sorry, let's do that again. What is 0.45 divided by 0.03?
15.
That's correct. Nathan, if $900 is shared in the ratio 1 to 3 to 5, what's the largest amount?
$500.
That's correct. What's the perimeter of a triangle if the sides measure 18.5 centimeters, 12 centimeters, and 14.5 centimeters, respectively?
45 centimeters.
That is correct. How many vertices does a cube have?
6.
That's incorrect. David, want to try?
Yes, please. 8.
That is correct. And that brings us now to our next face-off in the category of science. It's between Daniel McLean of Emmanuel Christian Academy up against Caleb Wallace of Crescent Primary. Daniel, which of these minerals is needed to strengthen the bones and teeth? Is it calcium, sodium, or iron?
Calcium.
That's right. What's the name for the quantity of matter in an object or body? Caleb, want to try?
No, thank you, miss.
It's mass. Daniel, pumice is an example of which type of rock?
Igneous rock.
That's correct. What's the name for the wearing down of rocks by the environment?
Erosion.
That's incorrect. Caleb, want to try?
Yes, thank you. Weathering.
That is correct. Daniel, what's the name of the fertile top layer of soil? Caleb, want to try?
No, thank you, miss.
It's topsoil. Caleb, we're now over to you. Which of these minerals is needed to help in the production of blood in the body? Is it iodine, sodium, or iron?
Iron.
That's correct. What's the name for the SI unit of mass?
Weight.
That's incorrect. Daniel, want to try?
No, thank you.
Kilogram. Caleb, slate is an example of which type of rock?
Metamorphic.
That's correct. What's the name for the natural removal of material that has been weathered from one place to another?
Erosion.
That's correct. What's the name of the fertile soil made up of a mixture of sand and clay with plenty of humus?
Loam soil.
That is correct. Bringing us now to our next face-off in the category of English language. It's between Gabriel Salmon, the captain of Emmanuel Christian Academy, who's up against the captain of Crescent Primary, Captain Calicia Charles. Captain Gabriel, we begin with you. Where should the semicolon be in this sentence? Some like to sing, others like to listen.
Between some and others?
That's, say again, between what and what? Oh, that's incorrect. Captain Calicia, want to try?
No, thank you.
It's between sing and others. That's where it should be. Captain Gabriel, spell publicity.
Publicity.
That is correct. What's the past participle of the verb to leave?
Left.
That's correct. Identify the adverb in this sentence. The boy usually goes to school by bus.
Usually.
That is correct. Complete the idiom. Time flies when you are having
fun.
That is correct. Now over to you, Captain Calicia. Where should the comma be in this sentence? If you want to pass, study hard.
Between
Question passes. Captain Gabriel, want to try?
Yes, please. Between pass and study.
That is correct. Captain Calicia, spell luxurious.
LOX.
Question passes to Captain Gabriel. Want to try?
Yes, please. LUXURIOUS.
That is correct. Captain Calicia, what's the past participle of the verb to kneel?
Knelt.
That's right. Identify the adverb in this sentence. We searched everywhere for my missing wallet.
Missing.
That's incorrect. Captain Gabriel, want to try?
Yes, miss. Everywhere.
That is correct. Captain Calicia, complete the idiom. Your guess is as good as?
Mine.
That is correct. Taking us now to our next face-off in the category of social studies. It's between Nathan Richards of Emmanuel Christian Academy, who's up against Zavera Savory at Crescent Primary. Nathan, dirty snowballs is a name often given to which body in the solar system?
Pass.
Zavera, want to try?
No, thank you.
It's comets. Nathan, what's the only municipality in Jamaica where the mayor is elected directly by voters?
Pass.
Zavera, want to try?
No, thank you.
It's Portmore. Nathan, in which Jamaican parish is the 1907 earthquake monument?
St. Thomas.
That's incorrect. Zavera, want to try?
Yes, thank you. Kingston.
That's also incorrect. It's St. Andrew. Nathan, which regional body uses the acronym CARIFESTA?
Caribbean Community.
That's incorrect. Zavera, want to try?
Yes, thank you. Caribbean Festival of Arts.
That is correct. Nathan, during slavery, what was the main crop cultivated?
Sugarcane.
Or sugar, that is correct. Zavera, we're now over to you. What's another name for a space rock?
Asteroids.
That's incorrect. Nathan, want to try?
Yes, Miss Meteor.
That is correct. Zavera, what title is used to officially address a person holding the office of mayor in Jamaica?
His Worship.
Or her worship or your worship. That is correct. Zavera, in which Jamaican parish is the White Marl Taino Museum?
Clarendon.
That's incorrect. Nathan, want to try?
No, thank you.
It's St. Catherine. Zavera, which regional hospitality body uses the abbreviation CTO?
Caribbean Trade Organization.
That's incorrect. Nathan, want to try?
No, thank you.
It's the Caribbean Tourism Organization. Zavera, what name is given to the practice of raising livestock and growing crops? Question passes. Nathan, want to try?
No, thank you.
It's mixed farming. And that's the end of the final face-off and the end of section 2. The scores are Emmanuel Christian Academy on 20 and Crescent Primary on 21. Stay tuned. The final challenge will determine our winners right after this break.